Monday morning and I have a ton of things that I need to get done in this office specifically. If you follow anyone who works for themselves online, you typically just see them working. But the reality of it is when I'm not working, I am just home. This is the time that I put into this YouTube channel. I'm just gonna kind of show you what the reality of not working as a full-time filmmaker kind of looks like. Now I just got home from a month-long tour. I was on a tour bus for like a whole month. So I haven't really had a chance to get a grip on my life. When you're on the road with an artist, you kind of just get into this zone that's completely not, like a routine at all. So now I'm trying to get back into my home routine, which is just keeping this office space clean, organized, and also just kind of moving forward with all of the work that I have coming up this year. Let me give you a quick rundown of what my week's gonna look like. All right, so Monday is really the only full free day that I have this week. I've got one thing for work, and that's a 10 a.m. Zoom call. In about 30 minutes, it's gonna be for a shoot that I have next week in Houston. Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm on set both days. Thursday, I'm home. I have somebody coming over to fix our solar panels and a couple other like mundane homeowners things that just is not fun. Friday, I'm on set all day. Saturday, free, and then Sunday I leave for that Houston job. So today's my YouTube day, I guess you can call it. Luckily, working freelance, working for yourself, it gives you that time to be able to build a channel like this because you're not working Monday through Friday. Even though you're kind of always working in a sense, I'm always doing some sort of work. I'm still home and I have the ability to shoot this stuff. But with all that said, one of the main things I want to get done in this office today is switching out this desk with a new desk. That shouldn't come to surprise for anyone who's followed this channel for any bit of time, but that's for a sponsored video that will be coming out a little bit later. And then obviously I just need to clean up and declutter this room. For the most part, I'm really good at kind of sticking with my tasks and getting everything done. However, this is a bit embarrassing, but recently I just started playing RuneScape again. I haven't played RuneScape in 16 years, since I was like 15, 14 years old. I really never play video games. I haven't in the past like 15, 16 years, but I'm completely hooked on this game. So hopefully that does not create a barrier in me getting everything done today. All right, all done with that Zoom call. I need to do one chore before I get started with all the rest of my chores, and that is take this one on a walk. You ready? You want to go on a walk? That's probably good for now. It's much better than how it started. Next up, I really want to start building this desk, but I don't really know exactly how I should do this because I need to move this out. And then I also got not only a desk, but a storage cabinet, which I think is about this size. So if it works out, I want to get rid of this and replace that with the new storage cabinet that matches the desk. But I don't know, I won't really know until I get it out and build it. So I think probably the best bet is to break all of this down and kind of move it to the side so then I can bring the new desk in, which this basically is like the first episode of my home office build series, which if you haven't watched from the beginning, be sure to check out the other videos that I've posted. But we're going all the way back to the desk. I haven't even finished this office yet, and we're back to square one with the desk, but I think overall it'll be a good play. Alright, just finished building the desk. When you've built one standing desk, you've pretty much built them all. They all assemble the same way. So the desk is built. I need to put a desk shelf on here that it came with, and then I'll keep building the side cabinet. It's already like 3 or 3:30 p.m. and I was hoping to go to Best Buy before the end of the day to check out some sound bars and things for my TV over here. But I don't know if I'm going to get to that today. So I'm going to continue with this and try to knock this out. This desk is from Vernal, and I'm doing a brand deal with them, which will come in a later video. It's not going to be today, but I just wanted to cover kind of piecing it together as a part of this video. I thought it was fitting. Just a few key things here that I noticed about this desk right away that I do like. Comes with two of these little hangers right here that kind of hang off the side, so I can put headphones or cables. Very convenient. And then on the back, it comes standard. Here on the back, it comes with a cable tray where you can hang a bunch of stuff. Now, I'm not too big of a fan of the fact that it's like exposed here because you can kind of see right through it, but we'll see once I get everything on here how it looks and how it's able to hide all of the cables. It's going to be an absolute nightmare to put together. Alright, it is a new day. It's now Tuesday. There goes my chance at a day in the life video. This is now going to be, I guess, a week in the life. I'll probably still title it Day in the Life for views, but I just got home from my shoot. It was just a half-day shoot, so it's about 1 p.m. now, or it's almost 2 p.m., and I'm going to finish piecing together this storage cabinet right here. I have quite a bit to do still. I want to finish this up and spend the rest of my day kind of finishing up the office in here, piecing together my desk setup. So I'm going to finish that today. But first, I think I need to go get some coffee, and there's a new coffee shop that just opened up by my house, which is freaking awesome. It's probably one of the coolest coffee shops in town, at least in my area. I've been going there like every single day, which isn't good for the bank account, but it's amazing. So I'm gonna hit that up real quick, then we'll get back here and get working in the office. Coffee secured. We are good to go. That was a bit more of a hectic trip than I had planned. On my way to the coffee shop, I got an email from a brand that I've been working with, or at least working with for a long time, and they wanted to have a call tomorrow, so that's exciting. That has a little more to do with, the personal brand side, things that I'm kind of building up. And then I got a call that I got the offer to be the cinematographer for a commercial spot for a client that gives me a lot of work that I do a lot of like beat cam and smaller shoots with, and they had a larger shoot that is happening very soon. They offered me that position to shoot that commercial, so very excited for that. I know that sounds braggy and weird, but like it's more so about how unpredictable this industry is, whether it's content creation or filmmaking, freelance cinematography, stuff like that. It's incredibly unpredictable. You really never know when you're going to get the call for the next job or whatever, and right then and there I got called for 2 jobs in the matter of like 10 minutes. So exciting stuff there. Got the coffee. It's time to get started on this cabinet. Quit playing, bro. It's bad. Never fails. I always forget at least one minor step that creates an absolute headache I need to undo like half of these little screws here and pull this off because I forgot to put more screws in there. That's just great. But I'm almost done. We're so close. Alright, I think that pretty much does it for now. With any setup, you know, you gotta cable manage and get it all set up, but I just wanted to piece this together for my next video. Alright, I think I finished up everything that I can get done in this room for the next few days, so I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know it was a bit of a random day in the life, few days in the life of what I do, but this is kind of what it looks like. Just me working, and when I get home, messing around with the office, piecing things together. But I think I'm very close to posting a full desk setup tour. There will be some changes back here, obviously, different desk and all that, but I'll add some more things to it that I didn't get to in this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, say hello in the comments. If you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. I'm on the road to 50,000 subscribers, and I would love to hit it by the summertime, so would love to have you all along for the ride. But until then, I will see you all in the next video. Later.